Are you looking for a smartwatch which looks exactly like a classical watch, come with the metal body as well as a genuine leather belt, and have a perfect combination between fitness tracker as well as the smart classical watch? If yes, this video is for you. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on TicWatch C2 smartwatch running Google Android Wear OS. Looks like a classic but smartwatch, featured with IP68 sweat and waterproof, pre-installed with the Google Play Store and compatible to work with iPhone and Android. But that's not it. Come with the battery life of 2 days, which is not bad at all for the smartwatch. Now, as usual, to start with, first we're going to see what comes with this smartwatch, following with configuring with our mobile phone and having its performance check. By the end of this video, guys, you will have an idea that is this smartwatch for you to have present this Christmas or not. So with that all being said, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here we have everything which comes with the smartwatch, starting with one multi-language supporting user manual which will help you how to use this smartwatch, and a very quick watch startup guide which will help you to start with how to charge your smartwatch, following with installation of app and connecting the Wi-Fi. And this all information is available in 2 languages, English and Chinese. One USB powered charging cradle for your smartwatch. And now, in last but not least, we have TicWatch C2 smartwatch, which exactly look like a classical design and come with the genuine leather stripe paired with the stainless steel body around it. The whole body of watch is slim in size and you can have hundreds of different dials on top of it as well. Now the quality of leather band is fantastic and it's replaceable as well. Now on the back of watch we have a smart heart rate monitor which will be working 24/7 for the fantastic health and fitness support. And right next to heart rate sensor you have pins for the charging the smartwatch using its provided cradle. Simply stick it on, it's a magnetic couple and off it goes. Now in the front of smartwatch on the right hand side you have 2 buttons. One on the top which has got a red dot on it is a power on and off button. The second one down is the function button which is multifunctional as well. Now for the build side, to be honest with you, I do not have any complaints with this C2 watch. You can easily tell by the look of it, it is fantastic and a premium quality. Now just before powering up smartwatch, I would highly recommend every one of you to fully charge it. And once smartwatch is fully charged, download these 2 applications on your mobile phone. Information for that would be also available within the packaging which I have shown you before, where first application is WearOS by Google and the second one called Mobvoi, and both applications can be easily installed from Google Play Store. Now let's power up your smartwatch first time. By press and hold on the power on button, you're going to see it vibrating and a TicWatch logo in front. Select your language to start with. Now on your mobile phone, open up WearOS Google application and pair your smartwatch with it. If everything is good, you automatically get the notification on your mobile phone as well. Now click on to start with the setup and agreed. Now app is going to look for the smartwatch, and when find it, it will be listing up right in here. Just follow the application, everything is very easy and straightforward. Now once everything is completed, click onto the done button and you're also going to see the OK message on your smartwatch too. Now by using Android Wear application, you can do so much for your smartwatch, starting with you can download all the faces, new ones available right in here. Simply by press of one button you can select it, it will be downloaded and available on your smartwatch. You can also download them on your smartwatch as well, that I'm going to show you in the video too. And if you scroll down, you can also get the information about what notification you would like to have on your smartwatch. By going in notification, you can also change them as well, that what application you want to see the notification from. There's a list of all the applications which are installed on your mobile phone. Then down below you got agenda settings, Google Assistant setting, as well as the advanced setting for your smartwatch, where you can do what accounts and whatever you like for your smartwatch. You can also use the feature of Google Pay as well on this smartwatch. Now to access the feature of TicWatch help, if you click on top of it, it will open up the Mobvoi application, and here is going to show you how many steps you take in exercise and stuff like that available for you. And within here you can do so much as well. You can add up your own routine too. Now with the help of Mobvoi application, your smartwatch can also work with Amazon applications too. Now within this menu, if you've got any problem with the smartwatch, you can use the FAQ section, enable your Amazon Alexa stuff and Google Assist, and send them the feedback as well, and update your firmwares too for smartwatch, which will be always handy to have, to be honest with you. Now we have checked out all the features offered by the application coming from TicWatch as well as a Google Wear. Now let's have a look into the smartwatch, starting with the display itself. When watch is in ideal state, you're going to see a gray scaled display on it for showing you the time. This display is technically not using too much of your energy at all and displaying every time as well. Not bad at all. Now by pressing this power, which is also a multifunctional button to access the applications which are installed within smartwatch, starting with the agenda, alarms, contact, which will be connected with your mobile phone. Find your phone option is available too. By clicking on it, you're going to actually launch this part on it. It will straight away ring up on your mobile phone. That's how easy and straightforward it is to find your mobile. Following with the other applications like a Google Fit, which is come with the multiple sections of Google Breath and Google Fit Workout as well. Next we have the Google Pay, which is pre-installed on it. As long as you have got your card specification available in your mobile phone, you can use this as well. Now watch come with the pre-installed Google Play Store. Now with the help of Google Play Store, you can install the applications which are compatible with your smartwatch, and you can use them as well. Smartwatch come with the pre-fitted GPS. That means you can use all the application like Uber and all other things. Now in here you got all the options showing you apps for your phone, recommended for you, recommended for your watch faces and stuff like that. Straight away go into them. You're going to get to see everything which you wanted to download. By click of one button, you can download all these new faces as well. Now once the download is completed, surely the face would be available for us to enjoy. Now all other options which are available for the Google Play Store are very user friendly. You can simply select whatever you wanted to do. You can download your favorite applications as well, as long as they are compatible with the Google Android Wear watches. Now after Google Play Store, we have option for reminder, settings of your smartwatch. By just going into it, you can access so many things for your smartwatch, starting with the display, application notification, gesture control, connectivity, accessibility, journal settings of your smartwatch, as well as the personalization. You can also set the amount of storage as well and go for the system too. Now if you'd like to restart your smartwatch, you can also go in these options, which is like a system option itself. You can change the date, time and stuff like that. Now to get out of this settings option, if you scroll from left to right, now after setting we have an option for stopwatch, tick services, tick health, tick pulse, timer, torch, translation, weather, and that would be all. Now all smartwatches running Android Wear operating system on them have got the similar kind of a features, but this TicWatch is not different than them at all. If you scroll from top to bottom, you're going to see option for the settings where you have a flight mode, detail, settings, battery saving, pay, audio turn off your watch option is also available there. And if you scroll from left to right, you're going to see the option for the Google Assist. Keep scrolling down, it's going to check all your emails, whatever parcels you have and stuff like that, notifications kind of a thing. Then if you scroll from right to left, you're going to see option for the fitness, actually all about fitness in here, how many steps you have taken, how many calories you have burnt. Keep scrolling down, you're going to see the weather, and you can add more tabs into it as well by just simply pressing off a couple of buttons. That's it. Your heart rate monitor is also working 24/7, and in here you can easily tell that how your heart rate is gone up, down, whatever time. Everything is recorded nicely in this option. Now, to see all the notification which you get from your mobile phone straight on your smartwatch, usually they come up, and if you scroll from down to up, you're going to see them in here, and by the click of one button you can also clear them as well. Now, whenever you get a call or any notification, it pops up on your smartwatch with the vibration sound, but when you accept a call, you can only attend it on the mobile phone. Smartwatch does not come with the microphone input or the speaker out as well. Now, whenever you play a music or a video on your mobile phone, the control to play and a pause will be available on your smartwatch. That is a basic feature of Android Wear. Now you can start playing this from the watch, or you can go to the next video as well from the watch itself. Now, as soon as you get any notification on your mobile phone, you just heard it. I just got a notification and straight away it popped on my smartwatch. So it is, that particular process is way easier and way faster too. Now, just before I go ahead to check out all the features like a heart rate monitor as well as the wrist gesture, let's have a look into the feature of this button. Actually, whenever you press it, you're going to launch the Fit application by Google. Now, as you can see that it will track all the record of yours. You can see that right in here. You can keep scrolling down. You're going to see whatever goal you would like to set. You wanted to achieve something like that, or if you're going to go into your account, you can set every information right within this app, and you can enjoy it as well. The navigation within the smartwatch or any of its application is straightforward, very easy to the point as well. Now, changing the dial on the home screen is very easy. Simply press and hold on the one which is you are on. Now, changing the dial now changing the dial on a smartwatch is very easy too, by pressing on top of the dial you are on. Now, changing the watch dial is very easy. Now, changing the dial of a watch. Now, changing the dial of your smartwatch is very easy and straightforward. But just press and hold on top of it. Here you got a selection of hundreds of them. If you want to, you can just simply select the one you wanted to go for, and that will be all. Or you can add them as well. Here you have a list. Actually, select the one you would like to have. I just selected one and off it go. Simple, straightforward, to the point. Now let's check out the heart rate sensor by going into applications, where you have an application called TicPulse. There you go. Straight away when you open up the application, it will be looking for your heartbeat. And the good thing about this TicPulse application, it will monitor your heart rate, how you would like to set it, and display it right on the watch as well, with respect to the time and when it happened, with the maximum and minimum as well. Now keep scrolling that way. You can see, you can select it, that how you would like to monitor it, 24-hour resting and everything. You can set your limits as well. Now let's check out the main feature of this smartwatch. Whenever you move your wrist, how quick is going to respond to display the time. Not bad actually. Just move. Ideal. Not bad. Works very well. Does the job actually. Good. Well, now it's time for the conclusion, that what I think about this smartwatch. And within this whole video, I have actually shown you each and everything about it too. And I hope everything is well covered. Now, in my personal opinion, to be honest with you, I'm a fan of smartwatches, but also a fan of a classical watch too. I don't like to watch a smartwatch like the Apple got it. It looks like a gizmo, but this one doesn't really look like a gizmo. It looks still like a classical watch with the steel body, and proper genuine leather belt, and that is what I like the most about the smartwatch as well. Now all the feature it offers, working with the Android Wear, is fantastic. The Android Wear operating system is completely refined actually and works well too. Whenever I get a notification on my mobile phone, straight away comes on my smartwatch, and that's what I want. I don't need to take out my mobile phone out of the pocket to see what sort of message I got. That is a great feature, works to be honest with you. Now the battery life is which is very important to know about. They claim that battery life lasts you about 2 days, and to be honest with you, I think it's a bit of a far-fetch. I've been charging it every day actually. Okay, that is my honest opinion, and it might be possible that my use it quite heavy, that's why I am getting it. But if you put on the saver mode and stuff like that, then you manage to get actually 2 days out of it. But when you have a smartwatch like that, you would like to utilize all its feature. That's what they are there for. Now that would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any more questions regarding this smartwatch, please write them in the comment section below. And whatever smartwatch you are wearing, guys, why not share in the comment section down below too. That would be all from my side. Shall see you soon into another video. Bye for now. See ya.